Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you how you can train your chatbot with the help of a website URL. So let's get started. Simply log into your BotPenguin account. Once you are logged in, open the bot that you want to train. So let's say I have this Facebook bot. I will open this and I will go to the second section, that is the bot training. Once I will click here, I will get multiple options: website, file upload, Google Sheet, FAQs. So let's say I want to train the bot using the website URL. So I will simply paste the URL over here and it will give me an option: scan all pages, scan single page, scan JSON information. So I will simply click on import and train, and it will take few minutes and then the training will be started. And in the meantime, we have also these options. You can add any file over here, and these are the supported documents that you can train. Next, we have the Google Sheet option. You can also connect your Google Sheet and train the bot. We also have an option of upload FAQs and add FAQs. You can add the FAQs over here one by one, and you can also upload a file of the FAQs. So these are the options that we have as of now, how you have to train your bot. This is the simplest way of training the bot. In case if you have any query regarding the same, please reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you.